Why can metal do this when salt shatters?
And conduct this, while glass cannot? What invisible force creates such opposite properties? The secret isn't in the atom, but in what it lets go.
Picture a metal atom. Its grip on its outer electron is loose.
It releases that electron into a shared space, creating a sea of electrons, a communal energy pool. This is the metallic bond, not a shackle, but a fluid glue.
Heat a metal? You agitate this electron sea.
Apply a voltage? The entire sea can flow as current. Hammer it? Layers of ions slide, but the glue reforms. Strength depends on charge. Magnesium's +2 ions create a stronger pull than sodium's +1. But what if atoms don't share? What if they steal? Enter the ionic bond. Not sharing, but total electron theft.
A reactive metal meets a hungry non-metal.
The metal loses its electron. The non-metal claims it.
Opposites attract. A powerful ionic bond is born. They stack into a perfect, giant crystal, salt. This rigid order creates beauty and brittleness. Hit it, and the crystal's own charges break it apart.
But water, with its polar pull, can dismantle it.
Free ions mean conductivity. This is a key ionic clue.
But what if both atoms want electrons equally?
They negotiate. They share. This is covalent bonding. They form discrete, unique molecules. Water, methane, CO2. This creates a universe, from delicate water to hardest diamond.
Covalent molecules are often neutral. They don't play with ions.
And with no free charges, they're electrical insulators.
2 rules. 2 worlds. Ionic and covalent are clear, right? But wait. If covalent bonds are so strong, why is water a liquid?
A hidden force exists between molecules, much weaker, but critical. These weak forces dictate state. Solid, liquid, gas. Even the weakest force, multiplied, lets a gecko defy gravity. Stronger intermolecular forces mean higher boiling points. Surface tension, capillary action, even DNA structure, all from these. So, which bond is most important? Trick question. Our world isn't built by one bond. It's a symphony of them. Your phone is a battlefield of metallic, ionic, and covalent forces.
The future is designing materials by manipulating these bonds.
From sandcastles to starships, it's all about bond strength versus energy.
Metallic, ionic, covalent, intermolecular, a hierarchy of connection. Explain lightning, lava, flight, and even a spider's web.
And you are the most complex material of all. The invisible glue of reality. Now you see it.
Metallic, shared sea. Ionic, stolen electron. Covalent, shared pair.
What about materials that are in between?
Same atoms, different bonds, opposite properties.
Can we design a metal with a memory?
The next frontier is quantum bonds and smart materials.
This is just the atomic foundation.
Smash like if the sea of electrons makes sense now.
Subscribe to Nano Revealed and hit the bell.